The Indian Navy is working on a fresh request for proposal with new specifications to procure 2 landing platform docks that will allow it to be used as an amphibious ship to deliver tanks and armored fighting vehicles and helicopters. Recently, a scale model of the light combat helicopter equipped with an automatic blade folding system had sparked speculation on the development of a naval variant of light combat helicopter for shipborne operations that can be operated from the 2 landing platform docks that the Navy is procuring. India has the option to add a ski jump to the 205 meters flight deck of the proposed landing platform docks, but only the F-35P short takeoff and vertical landing aircraft can be operated from these vessels. We had reported about a new BrahMos X advanced missile variant in February 2021, and latest reports indicate that the new variant is all set to start its testing very soon. The BrahMos X will have a near hypersonic speed of 4.5 Mach and a range of 600 kilometers. The chief of BrahMos Aerospace had said recently that the 800 kilometers range BrahMos extended range variant will also be tested by the end of 2021, while the first Mach 5 capable variant of the BrahMos 2 hypersonic missile will be ready in 2024, and the Mach 7 capable BrahMos 2 will be ready by 2027. The DRDO has completed the assembly of the 3rd hypersonic technology demonstrator vehicle, and the 3rd test will be conducted in July 2021 for a longer duration of around 180 seconds with a sustained hypersonic combustion at a speed of Mach 6 that will help it to move towards a hypersonic cruise missile prototype stage. The 4th test will be conducted for a much longer duration of 4 minutes to cover 500 kilometers, while the main target remains to achieve a range of 1000 kilometers. The DRDO will soon test the production-ready unit of the 3rd generation man-portable anti-tank guided missile that will have all major components of the missile system like the command launch unit warhead and the laser designator. Private sector company Tata Imaging has developed a command launcher unit with integrated GPS and digital compass, missile control electronics and laser rangefinder, and has almost completed the development of a lightweight imaging infrared seeker without cryogenic compressor for the man-portable anti-tank guided missile, which will use a real-time artificial intelligence-based image processing unit that will reorient the missile towards the vulnerable section of the designated target. Bharat Dynamics is ready with the production facility for manufacturing these missiles, and many private companies will be part of the supply chain. Tata Advanced Systems Limited has started manufacturing components of LEAP engines that will be used for GE Aviation's global supply chain, and both the companies will also pursue military engine and aircraft system opportunities in India, and this experience gained by Tata in manufacturing engine components can also be utilized later in the production of indigenous 110 kN jet engines that will be jointly developed by the British firm Rolls-Royce and DRDO's gas turbine research establishment. While the British Prime Minister has cancelled his visit to New Delhi, but the two sides will be holding a virtual meeting that can see the signing of Memorandum of Understanding for the joint engine development. The Chinese media has reported that the Chinese army has deployed the PCL-191 that will act as a deterrent against India. The PCL-191 modular rocket system is able to carry 8 units of 370 mm rockets that has a range of 350 km or 2 750 mm Fire Dragon 480 tactical ballistic missiles that has a range of 500 km. Indian Navy's Kolkata-class destroyers and P-8I maritime aircraft will join the French carrier strike group and warships of United Arab Emirates for a 3-day Varuna trilateral exercise to jointly test combat skills in the Persian Gulf region from 25th April, and the main aim of the exercise is to test interoperability skills in subsurface, surface and aerial dimensions.